The music in this video is composed by my good friend Johnny. He's currently in the hospital and fighting some health complications. And if you could say a prayer for him, I'd greatly appreciate it. And go check out his channel, Mopars and Guitars. Show him some love and just say a prayer for him, as I will be. So please enjoy the video. Hey guys, welcome back. Jed Scott here. And today, we got to tear this engine apart. And by apart, I mean drain the cooling system, and we got to take all this front dress off because that oil leak is atrociously bad. Been driving the car a little bit, and we put fresh oil in this thing about 2 weeks ago, and that's all we got left on the stick. And watch me fail as I try to get it. There we go. Okay, so yeah, that's what I got to work on today. I can't do that. I can't have that massive oil leak. And hopefully we don't uncover some kind of other problem like the balancer's messed up or something like that. That would really suck. But there's got to be a reason why that seal is torn so bad. I mean, it just shoots oil out of there pretty much. I wonder if they didn't put the oil slinger back in there or something. But yeah, that's what we need to work on. Thank God the training cooler lines go to an external cooler up in the front instead of to the radiator. So pop the petcock, drain the radiator, drain the block as much as we can, and yeah, take this whole front dress off and hopefully not break anything. So wish me luck. That's what we're gonna do. We got to fix this oil leak, and I know it's not gonna be a super exciting video, but one of the things that's got to get done. Well, the radiator's out, and I just got done flushing it as good as I could. That thing was just full of, it looked like orange diarrhea. So if you ever eat Taco Bell, you know what I'm talking about. But damn it. But I was thinking about running water through the block, clean it out, because it's whatever's in that block is just grody. It's that orange diarrhea water. But we got the radiator off, thank God. Came up pretty easy. Look at that big old cooler. It's pretty cool. But we're gonna get this fan off, pulleys off, radiator, or no, alternator, power steering, get all this rest of the crap off, and we'll speed footage it. Oh, damn it, excuse me. Well, speed footage, all that. Probably ought to get a new water pump just because of that guy. But we'll see. We'll see what happens. So, enjoy. Let's tear her apart. .360 balancer bolt. Bertha 360 balancer bolt. Uh-oh. Come here, socket. That was supposed to be cool, but that was not as cool as I thought it was going to be. Nothing can withstand the power of Bertha. Sorry, Jezebel. Didn't know you were that close. Little Makita for the win. Wow, that's probably why this thing's been leaking. Ooh. Really? Alrighty, we're going handheld mode. Silicone on the seal that's installed. Is that backwards? Is that freaking on backwards? I think that is on backwards. I bet you that seal's on backwards. That ain't how it's supposed to be, I don't think. I'll have to go look at one of my other small blocks. But first things first, a giant repair sleeve. I mean, look at that. But the balancer's in good shape though. If you look at the rubber and everything, I was thinking maybe the rubber was no good, but it's in good shape. So, let's go take a little adventure. Venture time. Radiator's painted. All right, my other 360. Nope, no sleeve. Okay, no sleeve there. Yep, that seal is installed backwards on that 360. Wow. I'm not judging you, man. I got the car from, but easy mistake. I've done it before. But that's why it's leaking so bad. Didn't tear the seal. Just put him backwards, for sure. we'll find out once I get that cover off, so let's do it.
Damn, it has a lot of silicone. Oh, Jesus. Ah!
Alright, well the gloves are coming off because I sliced up my finger trying to pry that damn thing off. So first things first, if I gotta pry the damn timing chain cover off just to find out there's a stock timing chain, I'm not happy. Yeah. You know, you're gonna put a cam in an engine, you're gonna put headers on, you're gonna put a cool guy intake, you're gonna put a Howie, but you use the stock timing chain? Come on. Come on. At least spring for a freaking cheap double roller. Damn. That's just... Well, let's set all this back because I'm not putting it back together with that chain. I just will not. I mean, this is typical of a small block. That's normal. Over here it's tight, but that's normal, but yep. Oh, and there's no freaking slinger. Are you shitting me? No oil slinger. Ah. But yeah, here's our cover, which, you look at the seal. Pretty sure that is put in backwards. I'll be shooting myself in the foot here. Yeah. I don't know, maybe that is right. Maybe it's something weird. I come over here to this or any of my other timing chain covers. It looks nothing like that one. Hell if I know. Hell if I know. Oh well. Oh. I guess I'll see you guys in about a week, whenever, or 2 weeks, whenever I get a double roller timing chain. Well, you guys will have to forgive the wind today. Today is Dad's birthday. We just got back getting parts. You probably saw that little cruising video. If you didn't, go check it out. We are going to get our new Cloyce double roller timing chain on here. We're going to roll the engine up to #1 cylinder, get that put on here, and then get all the rest of the crap put back on there. Went ahead and painted the block orange, the front of it. Maybe it'll look a little bit nicer. Don't know. We'll find out. But got all of our new parts. We're gonna set you up on the old tripod, speed footage, everything. Dad, say something.
Hey, my birthday. Yahar.
Well, that was a little weird.
Yahar.
New water pump. Got a timing chain cover all cleaned up, painted, new seal put in it. Bouncers all cleaned up.
Crank bolt.
It's
a quarter.
It's on the it's on Bertha, the big impact.
Where is it?
I set it down somewhere. But anyways, I'm gonna help Dad find all this crap. We're gonna get the engine rolled over and check in with you in a minute. Get her set to #1. Do all that fun crap. Alrighty, well, that just fell over. Engine's all back together. Looking pretty good from the front, if I do say so myself. The intake don't match the block, but that's fine, nobody gives a dang. I did paint my valve cover a little bit though, I'm a little mad about that. And it is freaking cold. What is it, like 20 degrees?
Cold as fuck.
Yeah, and the wind is blowing cold. I mean, it's freaking awful out here. I've been inside a couple of times, warming my fingers back. I couldn't feel nothing. My teeth are cold. I can't feel my teeth. But yeah, it's freaking cold. Yesterday, when I was taking a little party, it was like 55. So welcome to Kansas. It's freaking ridiculous. I mean, the skies look pretty nice, but it's just so damn cold. Oh, but all we gotta do is put coolant in this, bleed the air out of the system, which is gonna be fun. And all that shit, but we're not gonna start it up because I want to let all this sealer have plenty of time, but we don't want to leave it with whatever crud's in the block in case there's not a antifreeze in there. Yep. Batteries died. Give her a little wing ding, Dad. Yeah, the old GoPros don't like the cold. All the batteries went to crapola on us as soon as we started the car up. So now we're on the phone. And it's still colder than balls. But no leaks yet so far. Uh-oh. I said that. What is all that? All that right there. I don't know what all that is. That might be that grease I put inside the balancer. Oh, that's that grease. Here. Felt? It could be the felt. Wow. You're like way closer on this. It could be the felt behind the balancer because it was missing that piece of felt. Oh. But so far so good. Engine's running damn good. It's freaking cold. It's Dad's 60th birthday. Hopefully you checked out the video of us cruising to the Charger. Dad did something cool. Kinda. Sorta. Old man. What? Old man stuff. Oh, he's spinning your tires. Oh. Yeah. Old man version, but we're just gonna let her sit here and run. I'm gonna idle it back up. Just figured I'd let you guys hear the sound. But it's freaking freezing. I'm over it. The engine runs again. And it needs to do a whole, we need an oil change bad, but you know what? I can wait till a little bit warmer day. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. And as always, look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. We gotta go celebrate Dad's birthday properly. Ain't that right? I know. Well, tell everybody bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas, everybody. Hope you enjoy the holidays. See you later.